follow me. Go ahead, follow me. All she care about is a following. Follow me. Shit, follow me. Go ahead and follow me. All we ever care about is a following.
Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video the question is, should I update my phone? First, let me see, when you updating your phone, you want to ensure that your battery percentage is past half, right? So this is at 72%. So this is a new update for this phone. It says it will improve the overall performance of the device. It also says after updating, you will not be able to downgrade back to the old version, right? And it says what the software update is including, right? New and enhanced. It fixes bugs in the system and device stability improvements, right guys? So this update is 124 megabytes, and just want to let you guys know that I don't have any issue with my phone. My phone is working very good, no problem whatsoever. So sometimes you may ask yourself, do I need to update? It is actually your choice if you want to update. Sometimes problems can come in new updates, but I do believe that there are other persons who may have been experiencing problem with their device. Not because I am not experiencing any problems or I have not seen any problems so far. It's very good to keep up to date. So if you happen to see that this shows up on your phone, normally it usually be in the notifications as well, and it will keep reminding you that you need to update. If you see this pops up on your phone, it is not anything to get worried about. Just ensure that your battery is above half, and then you click install. It will take some time. It will restart the device, and it will update the Android system. So with your Samsung Galaxy phones, so guys, one of the reasons why I told you ensure that your battery is above 50% is because this can take a time, right? And if you don't have sufficient battery power, it can mess up your Android system, right? So ensure that your battery power is above 50%. This can take some time. I'm actually here for like 9 minutes now, and it's still going. So this is a small update. Sometimes they can have larger updates as well. So guys, ensure that you charge your phone before doing this, and you should be good to go. Some parts of this video I'm actually going to cut out some parts. Also, I'm going to speed them up as well so that you won't get bored. So guys, the phone is finished updating. So guys, the phone is finished updating, and as you can see, everything is working very good, and we only lost 3% of our battery power there, and you can see that it is finishing up system updates. So guys, I hope that this was helpful, and you don't have to be nervous when doing this. Just make sure that you have sufficient battery power. I'm Lens, and I'm out. Do like, share, and subscribe.